Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing and review. And today we are going to unbox and review Sunfit Mono 450 watt half-cut monocrystalline solar panel. But before we get started, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. And our WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen. So if you have any question, you can contact us through our WhatsApp number. And if you like to install a solar system in your home, you can also contact us through our WhatsApp number. So let me talk about the features of this solar panel. This is a mono half-cut solar panel with capacity of 450 watts. You may have heard about a half-cut solar panel. So what makes an half-cut solar panel better than the regular solar panels? Firstly, half-cut solar panels have less power loss when the cells are shaded when compared to the regular solar panels we use. That means that the cells will continue to generate power without any blockages, which will result in a steady and reliable solar power output. So in case of any any shade in a particular part of the solar panel, the panels will still continue to generate electricity, will still continue to generate DC voltage even when a particular part of the panels is shaded. Also, half-cut solar panels are designed to reduce hotspots. So if some cells are shaded, the other cells that are not shaded will help spread it across more cells. This make it less likely for the panels to get half hotspots and make the components last longer. Also, half-cut solar panels produce more power at the module level. These panels are designed to have less energy losses and make them more efficient and produce more energy than the regular solar panels.
Hey, before you continue watching this video, I want to quickly tell you about something. Have you heard about Opay before? Opay is a mobile banking app which allows you to transfer money to other banks and even Opay users, pay your bills like your electricity or cable bills, buy airtime or data to all network, and do some other transactions. When you create an account and join Opay, you get a welcome bonus of 1,200. But remember, for you to get the bonus, you must credit at least 2,000 naira from another bank. You get up to 6% cashback anytime you make a bill payment. There is free transaction and zero issues. You'll be able to get a instant and free debit card. All you need to do is for you to check the description section or the comment section for the link. Click the link and you'll be able to create your own Opay account. Now back to the video.
Okay, let's take a look at the front of the solar panel. As you can see the half-cut cells on the panels. These are the half-cut cells on the panels. So this is the front view of the panel. Then let's take a look at the back of the solar panel. Now this is the back view of the panel. Here we have the two cables, which are the positive and the negative. So here is the positive with the MC4 connector, and also here we have the negative cable and the MC4 connector. So you are going to use this positive and the negative to connect to other panels in case you want to do a series connection or a parallel connection. And also let's look at the specification of this panel. Here we have is a model of 450 watts with MSP 450 watts, and the type of this panel, the type of the cell of this panel is monocrystalline panel. It's a monocrystalline solar panel, and it has a maximum power of 450 watts with plus 3% and a current at P max of 0.11.54 amps, a voltage at P max of 39.04 volts, and it also has a short circuit current of 12.06 amps and an open circuit voltage of 43.26 volts. So this is a Sunfit brand. It has a lifespan of 30 years, and if you get a new one, it will be inside carton with two pieces inside. So here this one has two pieces inside. Let's check. This is the first one inside with a black aluminum frame, and also this is the second one inside with a black aluminum frame. So it comes with two pieces. Now we have come to the end of this video where we unbox and review Sunfit Mono half-cut 450 watt solar panel. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and if you have any question, you can drop into the comment section below, and also our WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen. So if you have any question, you can message us to our WhatsApp number. And if you like to install a solar system in your homes, you can also message us through our WhatsApp number that is displayed on the screen, and also the WhatsApp number will be included in the description section of this video. I also have some other videos related to solar system, and if you like to watch this video, it will be included as an info card right now, and also to be included at the end of this video as an end screen, and also the link to these videos will be included in the comment section and also the description section of this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.